All right, everyone, today is day 4 of this small account challenge flip. As always, making this video going to be short, simple, and sweet, just so I can keep pumping them out there for you guys to show the transparency. So today the profit was $3,485.84 on the account, and it is going really good. Now at this point, the goal was to hit 10,000 by the end of the week. We shouldn't have no issues hitting that. Shout out to everybody else in the Discord, make a profit. This member here, $100, $358. This member, $244. This member here, over a couple hundred, $200, $300, and the list just goes on and on. Small loss for this member here, that's all right, $54. But nonetheless, everyone is crushing it. This member here made $1,297, and our Discord group is free. So if you guys click the link below this video, you guys can tap in and join this free one. In the future, maybe I'll make a more like a VIP one where I go live in it and then have all the course and education. I'm working on doing that, where it'd be cool to basically have like all like these tabs where it's just like all the different parts of the videos and courses. So it's all in one Discord, everything. You don't have to go to like a website to like watch anything or log into different stuff. You could just come to the Discord. All the education's there. I keep adding more education. I go live. I have webinars. That's kind of where I'd like to see the vision of a Discord community. But we do have the free one where everyone can come, post, ask questions, engage, and all that. And that will always be there. So the signal today was to buy US30 at 53.21, 17.23, and the areas of take profit. US30 was a very good trade today. We made a lot of money on this one. It completely just took off running here at 8.26. It hit our entry at 53, 217.23. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, squeezed up, pulled back. I took multiple trades with this one. I kept getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. I just scalped the shit out of this one. Hardcore. At one point, I did take a trade on gold. Twice I jumped in gold. That's why I took one lot and then I jumped out, another lot, jumped out. But gold really didn't do what we wanted to do today. It was mainly just US30. As you can see, gold did kind of pop here a few times towards take profit 1, but otherwise we really weren't getting that momentum that we wanted with gold. We were really hoping today was going to be the banger that we wanted with gold, but we will come back tomorrow and watch gold. Otherwise, US30 was a breadwinner. NAS 100 ended up selling off today, so I'm glad we didn't really watch or take NAS 100, because again, when the market opened, NAS 100 completely just dumped very hard. But yeah, otherwise the count is going very good. $3,500 in profit today. So the goal in the game plan is obviously to keep doubling the count every single day. So ideally I'd like to come back tomorrow and make $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, and the next day make $14,000, the next day maybe make like $20,000, $28,000, and then just keep pushing it very hard, very aggressive. Because at the end of the day, trading, you can't. It's good to move at a snail pace, but at the end of the day, you want to basically constantly compound your account. You want to compound your account and then push that size. But you always have to. You can only do that if you have really good risk management, because trading is built around not being right but being rich and having that good risk management. So that's it for this video. Short, simple, and sweet. As always, click the link below this video. I have my Telegram, my Discord, the same broker that I use that you can get a matching deposit bonus with. It's the same broker that I use day in and day out. Never had an issue. You guys see all my withdrawals. You guys see my proof of my Bitcoin hitting my wallet, and eventually I'll do a withdrawal on this account when we reach $1 million, and it'll probably be the biggest withdraw YouTube video in history. So I'm definitely excited for that, to kind of break that and be the very first person to do that large of a withdrawal. And I know it's going to get approved. I have no issues and concerns of that having that much money in the broker, because I've had that money in this broker before, so I'm not worried about that. So that's it. As always, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.